Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.3, problem number 2. Exercise 11.3, question number 2. Show that first one, tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees equal to 1. Second one, cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees equal to 0. So here we need to take LHS and we need to show RHS. Let us see first question, that is tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees equal to 1 we need to show. So now I am taking LHS. So LHS is tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, tan 74 degrees. So here angles once you have to see here 48, 16, 42 and 74. Which two angles we are adding means we can get 90 degrees. So here 48 and here 42. Both we are adding, we can get 90 degrees. 42 plus 48 we are getting 90. And 16 plus 74. 16 plus 74 also we can get 90. Means, so here in this tan 48 and tan 42 in any one, only we can change. Tan 16 degrees, tan 74 degrees. In these two, any one only we need to change. So I am changing first two values only I am changing. So tan 48 how we have to get? So 90 minus 42 only we are getting 48. So tan 90 minus 42 into tan 16 how we can get? 90 minus 74 only 16. So tan 90 minus 74 into this one as it is tan 42 degrees, all degrees only this all, into tan 74 degrees. That equal, here we know the formula, that is tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta. So tan, it is of the form tan 90 minus theta, means we can take cot theta value is 42 into tan 90 minus theta means cot theta value is 74. So cot 74 into tan 42 degrees as it is into tan 74 degrees as it is. Already we know the formula, that is cot theta equal 1 by tan theta. Cot theta equal 1 by tan theta. So here we are applying here. So cot theta means 1 by tan theta. Tan theta value is 42 degrees into cot theta. Cot theta value we can take tan 74 degrees into here same as it is tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So here numerator in tan 74 degrees, denominator in tan 74 degrees get cancelled. Tan 42 degrees get cancelled. That equal 1 we got it. So here LHS equal we get RHS. So tan 48, tan 16, tan 42 into tan 74 degrees value we got it 1. This is the first problem. Now second one. What is second? Second one it is cos 36 and cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 sin 54 degrees equal to 0 we need to show. So directly I am taking LHS, second one. So second problem LHS is cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So here this 36 how we have to write it? 90 minus, like that complementary angle we need to take. So 90 minus 54 only 36 means cos 90 minus 54 degrees into cos, here 54 how we have to get? So 90 to 36 we are subtracting, only we are getting 54 means cos 90 minus 36 degrees minus this, as it is we can take. Only one value only we need to change for like these problems. So 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So it is of the form cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta value is sin theta. So sin theta value is 54 into cos 90 minus theta means sin 36 minus, here as it is, sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. So once you have to observe here, sin 54, sin 54, sin 36, sin 36, both are into only. So 2 into 3 we are getting 6 only, 3 into 2 also we are getting 6 only. So both values are same, means this is the plus 1, this is the minus 1. So we are getting 0. So plus 2 minus subtracting means we are getting 0. Sin 54 into sin 36 minus sin 36 into sin 54 value we are getting 0. So here it is LHS equal RHS. So what is LHS here? Cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 value we got it here 0. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.